Pepper one.
Sachet. Sachet.
What the sauce, guys? What's up, guys? You don't know it's your boy Nathan. Yeah, guys, and there with something we are gonna do spicy noodle challenge today, guys. Yeah, we are gonna buy 2 cup soup, guys, and we're gonna do it with the cup soup. Yeah, we're not gonna use ramen. Yeah, guys, so what me I gonna do is me I gonna just full up guys. Yeah, I'm gonna stick and I'm gonna show you make a full up CC one big pepper, guys, big pepper. Yeah, I make it mother half, guys. So I want to just spam up the comment section with Team Nathan, guys. Like, share, comment and subscribe, guys, and turn on the bell so when you post a new video, guys, you can be notified. Yeah, guys, me I tell you no say that one and normal because she can't manage properly, so you know see a problem, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go in the kitchen now, so I'm gonna stay tuned to your side, guys. Yeah, guys, see them, man? So yeah, guys, we get back. Water spoon, guys. So we get back to now. Yeah, people see it. 3 of them, the whole 3 of them are going to fear or something. The whole 3 of them. You can see I'm sure. The whole 3 of them are going to fear or something. No joke about people, water so ready. Just spam out the comment section, like, share, subscribe, show some more this whatever, and share get this banger. 2 more pepper there, guys. You're going to fear something good. I'm not going to film me, guys, remember. Me not fear. Me, okay, look on the brand. Alright, you should know, guys. Water water is bubbling. She did. So you guys, see them there? And the fear and go and simmer them. Simmer them guys, you see? Right, this is mine with no pepper. That's how we got to work. We get too fat, right?
Yeah.
So guys, you see what I'm going on already. So just stay tuned and just get back, you know.
What's up, guys?
Don't know it's your boy Nathan.
And a girl CC.
Yeah guys, as you can see, they are back with the next challenge. Spicy noodle challenge guys, yeah.
What we want you to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys.
Yeah guys. And don't forget to watch out the ads them. Yeah guys, so we are gonna just head straight into the video guys, you see me?
And Nathan, we move them now, guys. We are telling you now.
So nobody with the food in this ball Nathan with no noodle. Just eat your sandwich. Come ready. Throw it up already. Don't take them out here, you can do that. Take out one piece of it. Hurry up before don't make you get no cold. Yeah, but I will because I saw it stay. I will drink all the water too, you know. Kind of joking. Hey. What do you? Then for one tooth. Oh, I made that one too bad. You take a piece of paper. Add the pepper.
So,
No pepper one. Barely I feel it.
lick them about
Barely I feel it. Pepper. Hmm? What? No throw nothing there. I saw that title. I want. You know saying on that paper. Guys, see not ready yet feed. You see it? She not ready for this yet.
I like all this taste.
How it taste?
Yeah.
Which way?
Pepper.
Pepper?
This not taste like Pepsi.
No, you want bubble. Drink the water too. Drink the water now. You see? Drink the water. It's pepper. You have to drink the water, yeah. Like the ice water.
You can feel it. It's not no, when you eat and with these guys, like a pepper, so Jaja lip a bone off.
When you do not take up soup, I saw them come.
Jaja lip feel like that.
I saw them cook soup, they come ready. Ask anybody.
Yes, you're
I saw them move here, come see him with bread. Guys, she not ready for this yet.
You know, the talk same time, you know, do it now.
See, no one, she no want to come like
You
say
know, the talk, you know, just, you know, the talk, you have fun
something,
more.
something.
Yeah, that's what
No, I
I'm the talk. Talk, you have more fun more.
Nathan show extra pepper in my
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, I eat that.
You know, remember? Remember?
Basically done already, so that's
You done?
of course.
Let's see. Me get a pepper in here one and now me get everything. Me. No.
Mm. You get pepper too.
Me lip a bone me. It a bone me.
So,
Diego, you feel do that and speak about something and something later.
so to that.
You mean by so what to that?
No.
You know, say I had extra pepper to put something in later.
Oh, I have those pepper going in that.
Yeah? Jesus Christ, I should not smoke.
No. No, no more.
You're too friggin' wicked.
My win.
Me know say you do something to it, you know.
My win,
And me
guys.
say, oh, this red so.
Guys, I mean, take the
And
lead.
me
See,
hold
them
my
done and she show more
my
in
lip
there.
a tear off. Charger. Don't worry yourself. You really a test me though. So you sweat like hog.
Sure, me. Yeah, ready for this.
I throw pepper.
So Nathan,
You
you
and
get
pepper on a friend.
Mama, put the camera on.
Can't see them ugly face there.
So see, you know it?
See,
You
not ready for
see
this.
King.
See,
You want to see and do me some this well pepper in a man.
we put one pepper. It's just that
But-
pure
but-
pepper.
So what Nathan has said, you know, said?
You don't know?
My own atta just show me and the man. You have to take it like a man.
See, red.
You see about
Bite all piece of pepper.
No.
Like what we do. What you mean? Chow up that and swallow like Team Nathan. Guys, my one did pepper. We never expect it piece of pepper. Oh, could do bother with the top bag at all. Full pepper. So just imagine what she a feel.
Some
When,
water.
when the video done edit, you see what man. You want
What is
water?
some water?
I won't start the camera right now.
You should have sent me some work and switch it. You should have sent me some work and switch it. You know? Feel done. Yeah, you should have sent me to work and switch it on.
Guys, when you see the wickedness when Nathan do to me, you don't have to worry yourself. Don't worry. I have a plan for you. My mouth a scorch off. When I drink some of the soap water, I can feel it a bun down and a go down in a people for show you the boy wicked enough. No, sir. I have to drink of what I don't.
I mean, no, if you can manage it.
Nathan really pepper this.
Hmm? Pepper man.
Sachet. Sachet.
What the passage, guys? Team dia tak dah mana. Dia dah. Oh God.
Niya tanong mo, Tio.
Oh God. Guys, spam up the comment section with Team Darkness. Nathan the great man never take leg. I wait sheep. I wait pen for pride me, guys. She not ready for this. Oh my God. You give us some answer, no? Never. Guys, as you can see, your girl CC just get pranked. You see me, and guys, we want to big up Abby and Cap of it. This guys, yeah. Abby and Cap of it, make we get this guys free. Now tell the guys. Yeah, I want to say big thanks to them guys, yeah. For this, we really appreciate it, guys. So, like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. You see me? We out. CC just get it. Stick it, as should I say. Tweak it. You have to say. You know, give me it.
What are y'all gonna, man?
Tima. Give me it, no? Tima. Oi. Tima. I say, Kalisha, you have a wipe up your man. Look them, man. Get up my wipe up your man. Come on. Tima. Get up the cups, B. Take up the cups. Too much cups, babes. Too much cups. Guys, look. At least when I come in and I say TCC, watch it. CC one ball. She can't prank it, guys. Watch it. CC can't come back with nothing to defend herself. Watch it. She's not even finished. Look at that. Who's the name? Amboss. Spam the comment section. Team Nathan. Hee-hoo. Timo.
Me eat him man.
Timo.
Nathan,
See there? I know him go on like say. You don't want to say.
Nathan, go on, we are gonna put him on your 6 to up, so.
Wipe it up. Wipe it all up. Wipe it up. Wipe it all up.
Me eat him a 6. God.
Boy.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.